How to recover your cell phone if it's lost or stolen. In this video tutorial, we're going to explain step-by-step how to locate our device, because in our time, it often happens that we lose our device or our phone, and we suddenly want to be able to recover our phone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain a very effective step on how we can locate or find our phone or send a message to that telephone. Send him a message, suddenly, call me on this phone number so I can get it back. Contact the person who suddenly you lost your device so you can locate it. You're going to send a message to that person who has a phone so that I can also call you. Another option is to locate him precisely. So what are we going to do in this video tutorial? I always recommend that you watch the video step by step from the beginning so that don't miss any details so you can find a solution and resolve this issue. What we absolutely need is for our device to have our phone's SIM card that we have lost. I'm going to test this other phone I have here. I have another phone. What is it that a phone has that we've lost? Well, my other device is completely locked here. What our phone needs to have. You absolutely must have a Google account. This is my account. This is the account we used in this video tutorial. It's an alternative account. We'll use it as an example. Okay, here's my account. Here's the same account as this phone. This is the lost one, the one I'm going to find. Both must have the same Google account in order to be recovered or to be able to know where our device is. The second thing this device has to have is the other one that we're going to locate. Well, not the one we're going to locate, but this one we're going to use. As an example, to be able to locate the other phone, we will download this. The application called Find My Device is from Google. We're going to open it. What are we going to do? Well, let's open it. We'll log in with that account. We're going to log in with that account here. We're going to give it to you. We'll give you our location here. Let's select this location. Let's select here. Let's click here. And here it will give us our location, our position. You're going to click here. And he'll tell you here. Where is your device already? But what we want to locate is the other device. Let's look for the brand here. It will also give you the same location. As you can see, our phone just rang. What are we going to do? We can make our phone ring. Suddenly, if you have it at home and you can't, you haven't. We've found it. We'll wait here. With this option, you're going to click here. And your phone is going to ring. As you can see here, our phone is ringing. It just deactivated here because I touched it. Well, we sent it to make it play. Here's what we have. Here's the address where our phone is here. We'll select it and it will give us this address here. We can locate it now. We have located it here now. How do we send a text message? Here, in this option, you're going to click on. You're going to click here. Here you're going to write, let's say, the phone number. Let's take a phone number as an example. That's it. So, we'll put the phone number here. You can call me. We'll write, call me, and you can write the phone number again. Now you're going to write it here. Write that, okay. Then you're going to click. You're going to click on it. Let's see what comes up here. This information will appear here. Whoever has your phone will have this information. This information about being able to locate it will appear for you. To be able to track your device in this way, it is already one of the easiest and fastest ways. But let's say you suddenly can't locate your phone. Because you haven't found the location yet, here's the exact location. You can now search for it directly from here because you know it's giving you the exact location. Another thing you can do is reset your phone. Just format it, not this information that, if you have it on your device, no one will be able to access it. So what you have to do is go to this Turkish girl who. The factory reset option will appear here. By clicking here, this information will be deleted from your phone. That information would be erased. Having said that, we can locate it in this way. We can send a message asking them to call us this way. There are many ways to locate our device. This would be the correct way. If the location doesn't load, click here again. That location will load here and your phone will start ringing. Let us know if our video works for you, and if you like our video, please subscribe. Turn on notifications, like, share, and leave a nice comment.